If you've never made money on the online space, in fact, you don't even know how to go about it, you don't know how exactly people are able to make money from the online space, from the internet. Sometimes you see people say stuff like this, that they are making millions online, and you feel they are just lying, you feel it's not possible, it's not true. You've tried and nothing has worked for you. You've tried different things online to make money for yourself, and yet no result. You're not making money. You just feel as if people are deceiving you, telling you they are making millions online. If you're in this category of people, come closer, my people. Come closer. Only got you, right? And first things first, I want you to know that it is possible to make money from the online space. In fact, I am among those people that the online space has blessed. I am among those people that are always saying, thank you, Lord, for the gift of the internet space, because it has been a blessing to me. It has blessed me. It has put food on my table. It has taken me from a point where I felt as if everything is just down, a point where I felt as if I was not going to make anything, to a point where I am making money for myself just by being on the online space, just by showing up on the internet. So this is me telling you that it is possible. Now you may be asking, what exactly are the real ways? What are the steps I need to follow in order to start making sustainable money from the online space? Now this is where I come in. Listen to me and listen to me good. Guys, I have been planning for the longest time to do something for my people on here. I have been planning to do a 90 days series, a 90 days of posting consistently to show you from point zero to you making money. I have been planning this, and I know the kind of work this entails. I know it's a lot. Sometimes I plan and I just give up. I said, no, I can't do this. But I have decided, I have picked myself again, because this is something I want to do for my community. I have decided that I want to teach you all. Practically, you're not paying anything. You're not paying me a dime. I want to teach you all practically how you can make money from the online space. So if you're ready, in the next 90 days, you should be able to start making money. If you follow this series step by step, from day 1 to day 90, you should be able to start making money consistently for yourself from the online space. Now, we are not just going to be doing one thing. I'm going to show you different ways, because making money online is not just about being on YouTube. There are different ways. There are diverse ways. It is not just about content creation. There are diverse ways that you can follow. Do you understand me? That you can follow to earn a living, to earn sustainable income from the online space. And I'm going to be exposing you to all of these ways. I'm going to be teaching you from the primary. Just say it this way: you're coming with me on a journey from your point zero, from a point where you're confused, from a point where you have never made a dime online, from a point where you think it is just fallacy, you think it is just lies that people are making money. From that point of confusion, I want to hold you by the hand and, by God's grace, guide you through, show you the process, show you how it's being done from point A to point Z, from a point where you don't have a dime in your account that you've made online, to a point where you are able to see money, real money reflecting in your account, and this money you made them from the online space. Are you ready for this journey? It's a journey of 90 days. Are you ready? Only wants to teach you. Now, one thing I want you to do is for you to go ahead and turn on your notifications. Turn on your notifications so that every day I post a video, YouTube is going to notify you, and you're going to come watch immediately and practice. I want people that are ready to work, because I am not one of those that will tell you, oh, you can make money online doing nothing. Hello, you cannot make money online doing nothing. You can only make money online when you're ready to work. You know, the normal work, people that go to 9 to 5 are going to go and work. You yourself, you are going to work for you to make money from the online space. It is not a Ponzi scheme. It is not bring 5,000 and pack 100,000. No. No, no, no. It is give and take. Equally, what you give is what you get. What you give, what you are willing to, the effort, the work, the discipline you're willing to put in is what it will give you back. You will see the result. So if you're ready to work, if you're ready to be disciplined, if you're ready to do what Oni tells you to do, because these are practical steps that will work and change your life for good. If you're ready to do it for the next 90 days, come on this ride with me. Get yourself ready. Get yourself ready. Turn on your post notification. Another thing you can do for me and do for people out there, share this video. Click on the share button right now. Share this video to people you genuinely care for, people you love, people you want the best for. Share this video with them because they are all gonna benefit. You're all gonna be able to see the possibility, not just the possibility. You're going to see yourself make money from the online space. And one thing I'm praying to God to do for me, one thing I'm asking God to help me with this 90 days is for me to, pour in my 100. I don't want to hold anything back. I want to pour out. I want to give value for this 90 days. I want to give back to my community. And I pray God gives me the strength, because it is not easy to always show up here for 90 days. I pray God gives me the grace. God gives me the strength. He gives me the health, because I need to be fit. I need to be healthy, right? I pray He gives me the health and everything I need to come on here every single day and show you all practically how you can earn a living for yourself online, how you can make sustainable income for yourself from the online space. So my prayer is, this is not going to be a waste of your time. This is going to be something that when you look back, you would say, oh, thank God I followed through this series. Thank God I participated. So it's going to be a wonderful ride. It's going to be a beautiful one. And it's going to be one that will make you money. Follow me on this journey. And I will see you on day one. I will see you tomorrow. I love you.